Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel English Easy Learning. A Teenager's Prayer, Unit 1 1.1. Poem by J. Morse, presented by Mrs. Vidyarani Gaikwad. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. English Easy Learning. This is my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share my channel. Students, have you taken any important decision in your life? When you have to take important decisions, what do you generally do? Right. We consult parents, elders, or we contact our friends for advice. Teenager's Prayer. Friends, do you know what is the meaning of teenage? Can you tell me what is the age group of the speaker in this poem? The age group of the speaker is teenage, that is 13 to 19 years. This is the age of conflict, confusion. Friends, let's listen a poem recited by Gauri Jagdale.
A teenager's prayer. Each day brings new beginnings, decisions I must make. I'm the only one to choose the road that I will take. I can choose to take the road of life that lead to great success, or travel down the darkened road that lead to great distress. Please open up my eyes, dear Lord, that I might clearly see. Help me stand for what is right. Bring out the best in me. Help, Lord, to just say no when temptations come my way, that I might keep my body clean and fit for life each day. When my teenagers are over, I know that I will see that life is lived its very best with you walking next to me.
Very good, Gauri. So, friends, this is a very beautiful poem, A Teenager's Prayer, which is written by J. Morse. In this poem, the poet tells us that each day brings new beginnings and we have to take decisions where we have to go, which road we have to select. In the poem, we see that there are lines in which the poet seems to talk directly to an absent person, an abstract idea, or thing or object. Such a device used by the poet is the figure of speech apostrophe. This type of figure of speech is called apostrophe. Here, the speaker in this poem is addressing to the God. According to the poet, new beginnings are brought by each new day. We must decide to take the road which leads to great success. The poet prays to the Lord to help him stand for what is right. The poet wants to see that his teenage years have been the best years of his life. So let's see the explanation of the poem by Gauri.
In this poem, a teenager is expressing his thought about the decisions he wants to make for leading successful life. He prays to God to help him to lead the best life. Speaker says, each day brings new beginnings along with it. So at the beginning of each day, I must make my own decisions. There are different paths lying before me, but to choose the road on which to travel is solely my responsibility. From those different roads lying before me, I can choose the road of life that lead to great success, or instead I can travel down the path of evil which lead to great worry and strain. In the third stanza, the speaker of the poem directly addressed the Almighty God. He pleads to the Lord to open his eyes so that he might see clearly. He also prayed to God to help him stand for what is right and to bring out the best in him. The speaker goes on to seek God's help to enable him to say no. When he faced with situations where he may overcome by a strong desire to do something bad or wrong, the speaker also prayed for God's blessing so that he might keep his body clean and fit to face the challenges of life each day. In the final stanza, the speaker concludes that by the time her teenagers are over, she will surely know the truth that the life lived very best in always in on which he lived under the constant guidance and Almighty God.
Very good, Gauri. Now we will see the appreciation of this poem. While writing an appreciation of the poem, we have to emphasize the title, poet, rhyme scheme, theme, and figure of speech. By using different kinds of figure of speech, the poet shows the beauty of the poem. And here we can see the poet has used so many figures of speech. There are so many figures of speech like simile, metaphor, personification, apostrophe, hyperbole, euphemism, antithesis, irony, pun, onomatopoeia, alliteration, consonants, etc. So while writing an appreciation of the poem, we have to first think about the title. So what is the title here? Any guesses? Okay, A Teenager's Prayer. So this is the title of this poem. Students, title of the poem is very important. It shows us the entire meaning of that poem. So what is the meaning of here? The main thing is that the speaker is praying to God. So here the title is A Teenager's Prayer. Next point in writing an appreciation is the poet. So we have to mention the name of the poet while writing an appreciation. Here the poet is J. Morse. The poet has used here a symbolic figure of teenager. The poet tells us that the teen age is an age of conflict, confusion. So they need a proper guidance from their parents, friends or elders. So here poet prays to God to show him the right path which will lead him to great success in the life. Next point in appreciation is rhyme scheme. So while considering a rhyme scheme of the poem, we have to see the lines which they are in which way they have written. Here the poet has used rhyming words in the second and fourth line, that is a rhyming pair make, take. So we can see that here the poet has used a rhyming scheme, that is a ABCB here. While writing a rhyming scheme of the poem, we have to consider only first stanza. Next point in the appreciation is figures of speech. Figures of speech. So here poet has used different kinds of figures of speech like apostrophe, inversion, metaphor, alliteration. So we can see that in different lines there are different figures of speech, such as travel down the darkened road. Here the poet has used alliteration. In the line decisions I must make, here the poet has used inversion. Inversion means what? To change the proper sequence of the sentence, that is a subject, verb, object. But here the poet has used object first and then subject and verb. Please open up my eyes, dear Lord. In this line, the poet seems to talk directly to an absent person or Almighty God. So here, the poet has used figure of speech, that is apostrophe. I can choose to take the road of life. Here, the poet has used metaphor. Metaphor means what? It is a way of describing someone or something by showing their similarity with something else. So in this way, the poet has used different kinds of figures of speech to make this poem effective and very beautiful. Poet has used different kinds of words, expressions to make this poem very effective. Next point in the appreciation is theme of the poem. There are so many themes which are used in the poem by different poets such as love, death, religion, nature, beauty, desire, identity. So in this poem the poet has used desire theme, a teenager's prayer. Here the poem it tells us that teenagers desire to be able to take the right decisions that leads to success in life. The teenager requests the Lord to help guide him in his journey in life and stay with him as he has to take important decisions on a daily basis.